welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. And today is our JCL Kami Davao's Christmas party. So it's the first time guys na abot me 30 I think this Christmas. So it's very maka-happy and makagidi. And so actually nagpa-retouch ko red hair kay mama kanina, ako ang own mom. It's just wala na ako na video kay naghanti ko ibuhat kanina guys. Like nag-finalize ko awards kay para walay man luon. So actually when I was creating the awards already, na-realize ko, oh my gosh, kadami ko deserving nito na award. So you know what? Everybody's a winner and daghang awards mo ko ang mga people and they deserve it and they deserve the credit for it. So motto, and at the same time para walang manluod kayo na women chapter but yeah. So at the same time ringaw na pod siya, and I also kind of worked a little and well, a lot charing, but may mga ginawa pa ako na stuff. Overall grateful kasi kadaming nag-pledge like maka-happy kay I love being a party planner guys, but of course sometimes if ikaw ang party planner makatipal gyud ka for a little while until people pay, and sometimes makatapal gyud pod ka if people cancel on the date hindi sila magbayad. But yeah, so I've been like the group's party planner in all of my barkadas in the past 20 plus years, charing. So charot, but like yeah, and I love it. I love, you know, bridging people together. I love creating events. I love finding places, and so it really doesn't feel like work to me. I think daghan kong ma-learn and daghan kong ma-discover. So quick crystal break. So this is, I especially love this. I am a divine intellectual being of love, light, and power. Like this is really just perfect, you know, like going back to self and reminding ourselves that we are love, and that's actually the highest frequency. Syempre, andito na naman tayo, no? Parang neneng B ang kanyang katawan. My gosh, yan talaga aking ginaka-LSS right now. Charot. Gosh, kaganda talaga ng lighting dito. And hindi ito ang hair ko, guys. Like, nagdali lang ko. It's, you know, errands day. Magdagdag ako ng prices and some coke and, you know, like, do some stuff. So, yeah. It's here. It's a citrus Americano again. But this time, we have their dome cake, guys. Actually, nag-cheat ko kay yummy siya. And I kinda need the chocolate. The next hours are gonna be busy. And actually, the next few days. Kasi bukas, direksyon ako Aklan for an induction. Murag wala na nitulo guys, so plain na lang and mag-empake pa ko. So, I deserve this. Next errand, we are gonna buy some prizes for later. Guys, nasiraan kong nail. My gosh, daghan pa ko Christmas parties attendan. Okay, additional na lang ni guys. Kinipalit na ko gahapon. Guys, hindi man siguro obvious, but grabe, ka-traffic yun. Wow! Prep time! These are some of the prizes. It's all the time, but this is 25. Thank you so much, Prima's Party Box, for sponsoring us. This is room 1, room 2. Of course, mayroon siyang CR. And meron siyang cute na pool, guys. And we have another room na merong pa-sofa. And room number 4. And we have a room number 5. Ito lang ata yung walang aircon, but it has a crib. So, crib ba na? Okay. Getting ready. Merry Christmas! Yay! Hindi sinasadya, but everything's exciting. Yeah! Guys, kita nyo guys, yun ang first sa lechon.
Always naman.
Yeah! Mga horado. Guys, this is what happens when everybody needs validation. Para wala man luod sa woman chapter, okay? For the Lafang press.
Birthday party! Okay!
Walahin na
That's what it says. Guys, make sure na nag-guess it. Hindi ka mag-action naman. Nasa buway! Nasa buway! Uy, lugaya, oy! Sen, makabalog siya kasi. Ay, kusa! Ay, cute! We have 3 kids already. Wants to tiny.
My balita is the life of every project, every meeting, and every party. I am grateful for her warmth, her humor. Yay! Thanks, Asima. Happy you. Guys, it's so nice. The after. Charing. Good morning.
Guys, mo yung inyong future Miss Universe. Alo, nakita niyo yung pagka-demi. Uy, buang. Balutin mo ako.